Browser to tcdprint.ie. Click on the Login button. You will be redirected to the Coletta web interface. Enter your access code and 4-digit PIN number. Then click Sign In. After logging in successfully, you will see your username at the top of the page. On the left side of the page, click on Advanced Print. Select macOS as your operating system. Then click Download to start the process. Once the download is complete, a DMG file will appear. Double-click the DMG file to open it. Click on Remote Print for macOS, and macOS will warn you about opening the file. Confirm by clicking Open. Then, click Next to proceed with the installation. Enter your access code and 4-digit PIN for authentication. Then click Submit. After successful authentication, click Next. Verify that your username is correct and click Install. macOS will prompt you for the administrator password. Enter the required details and click OK. After successful authentication, you will see a confirmation message. Click Exit to complete the installation. Open System Preferences on your Mac. Search for Printers and Scanners. In the Printers section, you should see the remote printer named TCD Print Anywhere successfully installed and ready to use. Open the document you want to print. Click the printer icon or press Command+P on your keyboard. Select TCD Print Anywhere from the list of printers. Click Print. After sending the document to the printer, log in to your TCD Print account. Click on Documents to review your print job. Your document will now be ready for release at the printer.